Welcome to this quick guide on how to turn on vibration for your first posts and stories on Instagram. If you're someone who loves a little tactile feedback, this simple setting will help you notice those important updates even when your phone is on silent or in your pocket. First, open your phone's main settings. This is where all the system preferences live, from display to notifications. Once you're in, look for apps or applications. It's usually listed with a gear icon or labeled clearly as apps. Next, find Instagram in your apps list. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to speed things up. Tap on Instagram to view its specific settings. You'll want to access notifications from this menu since vibration options are rooted in how the app delivers alerts. Within notifications, you'll see various categories and options for how Instagram notifies you. Scroll until you spot notification categories or a similar section that groups alerts by type. This is where you can customize different kinds of notifications, like messages, likes, comments, and your first posts and stories alerts. Tap on first posts and stories. This category controls how you're alerted when someone's post or a new story goes live for the very first time from a user. It's a distinct category designed to catch your attention without overwhelming you with every single post. Now, you'll want to toggle on Vibrate. If your device is set to vibrate for general notifications, you might see a separate option to enable vibration specifically for this category. Make sure the switch is turned on so your phone will vibrate whenever a first post or story notification arrives. If you don't hear or feel a vibration after turning this on, double check your device's system vibration settings. Some phones have an overarching vibration intensity or mode that could dampen alerts. You can adjust the intensity in the same settings area or in sound and vibration settings depending on your device. That's all there is to it. With vibration enabled for first posts and stories, you'll get a tactile nudge whenever a new post or story makes its debut from someone you follow. This small tweak can keep you in the loop even when you're away from your screen or in a noisy environment. If you found this quick setup helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more practical Instagram tweaks.